Hi everyone, this is Epson WorkForce Pro WF-3820, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up this multifunctional printer on your iPhone and how to use its basic features. So let's get into it right now. First, you need to connect your printer to Wi-Fi, and to do this, stay on the home screen and tap on the Wi-Fi icon at the top over here. Now you have two options. The first option is connect to your Wi-Fi router, and the second option is Wi-Fi direct connection. I will not connect my iPhone to Wi-Fi direct in this video, but if you don't have internet, or if in any reason you will ever need this feature, just tap here, start setup. Then select iOS from this list and just scan this QR code with your iPhone camera, or tap on other methods and connect your smartphone to this network using this password. Pretty simple. But now let's go back to the home screen. I will use another method. I will connect my printer to shared Wi-Fi network so that all devices in my home will have easy access to this printer. So let's tap on Wi-Fi and start setup. Here we also have few connection methods like WPS, like pin code setup, Wi-Fi auto connect, but the most reliable is Wi-Fi setup wizard. It works always, so I will show you this method. Tap on setup wizard, and your router is found here. If it's not found, tap on search again and try to scroll this list to find your router. This printer detects only 2.4 GHz networks or dual band networks like this one. So connect to your Wi-Fi router, enter your password, and start setup once again. Well, setup complete, so you can just press the home button and continue on your iPhone. And continue on your iPhone. What you need is open App Store and install Epson Smart Panel application. By the way, it's also available for Android, so setup process is pretty much the same. Let's open the application, agree to the terms and conditions, OK on the next screen with privacy statement. And now for the next step, you need to make sure your smartphone is connected to the same Wi-Fi router as your printer, or connected to the printer directly, and then you can continue in the application. You need to give some permissions to this app, so hit next and allow to use your location while using app. And on the next pop-up, you need to allow to find devices on local networks. So now your printer is detected. Tap on its model name, and it's added to your smartphone. Now you select the interface of Epson Smart Panel application. I prefer tiles. You can change it later in settings. So to enter the printer settings, you can tap on the printer's image. My printer still doesn't have cartridges inside, so I have this warning indicator over here. To enter the application settings, just tap on this burger icon and manage the application from here. So to print documents, you can use application. It takes you to your file system, or you can open any application that allows you to print. Let's say Gmail, select a letter you want to print, tap on three dots over here, select print all. First of all, select your printer in this list. It's added to your system, so detected automatically. You can print using presets or adjust your settings manually. How many copies do you need? Which pages of this document you wish to print? Color or grayscale document, double-sided printing. By the way, in this printer, it's capable of automatically printing on both sides. Set your paper size. If it's not selected automatically, select orientation like portrait or landscape. Scaling, media and quality, so you can switch quality to best. Experiment with layout. You can flip horizontally. You can print more than one page per sheet, something like this. Here you have your preview, and once you're done with your settings, just tap on print and the printer will do its job. Let's go back to Epson Smart Panel application. You can tap on don't show this content again and close, or read this page. Maybe you will find some useful there. So now let me show you also copy feature. So you can tap on copy, select between copy, document or ID card, and control your printer's copy settings from here. But actually you can do the same thing from the printer's display, so you need to consider what is better for you. Let's go back to the home screen. Document capture works best in this application. I recommend you alternatives like Microsoft PDF scanner. It's free and pretty powerful. And finally, let me show you how to scan. So let's tap on scan. You have some settings here as well, so, something like document size, it's A4 in my case, image type, color, grayscale or just black and white, resolution up to 600 dpi. Let's select 300, good for documents. You can enable remove background features, and automatic rotation, just in case you occasionally put the document upside down. And image format, PDF, JPEG or TIFF. I recommend the PDF if you want to create documents, multi-pages and so on, because JPEG is just for photos, something like this. And about document source, this printer has two sources. The first one is scanner glass, like in any other scanner, and the second one is automatic document feeder. So let's start with scanner glass. You need to open this lid and put your document facing down, and make sure the top left corner of your document is aligned with this arrow pointing to the top left corner of the scanning surface. So put your document like this and glide it to the borders, fit snugly, close the lid, and tap the start button in the application. So here is your scan result. Right away you can add more scans, just replace the first page with the second one and tap on scan once again. And there are not so much options to edit your pages in this application. So if you need advanced editing tools like markup, adding text and so on, you need to use third-party applications, maybe paid ones or something like this. So you can just crop your pages, rotate pages, or rotate pages altogether using this three dots menu, or delete any page from your scan. Also you can drag and drop to reorder like this. But now let's go back, let's discard this scan and let's change source to ADF. ADF unit allows you to scan a stack of documents just in a minute. You need to put the stack facing up and make sure that the top of your document is heading to the left. So place your documents, align with this paper guide like this, but don't press on the paper too much. Try to put it like this, very flat. And now just check your settings in the application. I recommend you to enable automatic rotation, just in case if some paper in the stack is upside down, and tap on start. Well, now it's scanning your documents one by one, and they will feed out from here in the same order like you put it here. As before, the result appears on your screen, and you can switch between pages using this thumbnail bar, or just swipe left and right like this. You can add the next stack to the ADF unit and tap on scan to continue scanning, and once you're done, just tap on next, and here you have two options. You can share your file or just tap on save and save to your file system. Before this, you can rename the file in this field. Let's tap on share, and this is just iOS system dialog. You can save to files, print right away, share using one of your applications like messengers, email and so on. Let's save to files. For this example, select location and hit save. You're all set. Now you can go back to the app's home screen or hit no and use the sharing feature once again to share in few messengers, something like this. But now let's go back to the home screen. And actually we are done. Now you know everything to start using this printer with your iPhone, and by the way, it's connected to your home Wi-Fi network, so can be detected by any gadget. That's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button to support us. Any questions, comment below, and be awesome. See you in the next videos.